Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope everyone is well. So in this video I'm going to continue from where I left the last time. So as you can see in the physics and math tutor website in the grade 8 and 9 problem section, as here in this PDF file, as you can see we tried to solve the first question here by finding the value of these two constants p and q and being x as variable for all values of x. So I showed you how I think about solving a particular problem like this one. So I'm going to continue with a different type of problem with number 2. So if I look at the number 2, it says write this expression x square plus 10x plus 3 in the form of this form x plus a whole square plus b, where a and b are constants and x is the variable. Okay, so if I go to the OneNote, so this is where I left the last time. So if I draw and use the pen tool, this is the pen tool. So if I write this equation on the left hand side, x square plus 10x plus 3. So on the right hand side I'll write x plus a whole square plus b. So x plus a whole square plus b. So if I draw a line here to separate these two expressions, this is one expression, this is another expression. So I have to write this expression in the form of this expression, right? So how do I approach this problem? So it is similar to type 1, but the first thing that I will want to show you is how I can equate or make these two expressions equivalent. The first objective for mine would be to make these two expressions equivalent. Now how can I make this expression equivalent with this one? If I expand this term, which is according to the formula of a plus b whole square equals to a square plus twice a b plus b square, as you know already with this formula. So if I expand this term and say x square plus twice x a plus a square plus a square plus b, this is the extra term. So if I try to equate these two expressions, the x square has a coefficient of 1 and the x has a coefficient of 10 here and twice a here. So I can equate the two expressions of x variable. So or the two terms of x of the expressions, two expressions. So on the left hand side I have 10 and on the right hand side I have twice a. Sorry, my handwriting is very poor. Sorry. So if I equate these two expressions, I can find a is what? 5. So the value of a is 5, right? So if I find the value of a as 5, I can also equate the last one, which is plus 3 here, and the constant here a square plus b. So if I write 3 equals to a square plus b. Now I know the value of a, which is 5, so I can write 5 square plus b. So the value of b will be what? 3 minus 5 square, which is what? 3 minus 25. 3 minus 25, which is minus 22. So I got the value of b now, which is minus 22, and the value of a is 5. So what I have to do here is I have to write this expression in the form of this one. So what can I do? Use the values of a and b to write the expressions. So now I have already got the value of a and b, so I can write x a. What is the value of a? Which is 5, x plus 5 whole square, and what is the value of b? Minus 22. So this is the form that is required, which is x plus a whole square plus v. So this is how this expression is equivalent to this expression. This is what is required in this question. So write this expression in the form x plus a whole square plus b, which is x plus 5, which is the value of a, and the value of b is what? This, minus 22. So the first thing that I thought here was to equate these two expressions to match the terms or the coefficients of these terms. So I first looked at the term between x square, so it's 1 1 is equal. So for x is twice a and 10, so I gathered or captured the value of a, which was 5, and then I matched the constant term. So I matched the constant term, used the value of a to figure out the value of b, and then used a and b to make the expression form. So this is how you can think about solving a problem like this. So I hope you like this video of how I think about solving a problem. So please like and subscribe to my channel if you like my videos. So thank you for watching.